This is going to be today's video review for Wednesday, August the 12th, 2015 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. We're going to be looking at this left chart in a little more detail here today. We generally do spend quite a bit of time on the right chart, and the right chart is where we make a lot of our decisions for trade, thus we call it our trade chart. But I want to discuss specifically coming into the day what the trader has when using visual energy analysis. There's a specific way to read this analysis so that one can make decisions, with the trade chart on the right, but using our leans or, for example, our energy reference points as specific leans to wait for price to get to make decisions. And this, of course, helps traders settle their minds and get ready. And in other words, wait for the market to come to them rather than letting the market drag the trader around by their hair and then give them the business, so to speak. So I want to draw your attention to our energy bands. Our energy bands on this chart, of course, we have one right here. You can see, you see on the next bar it moves down into approximately here, and then now it's down to here. So what is that saying other than the energy band happens to be moving lower? Well, from our perspective, we've got three energy bands on this chart frame. We've got this 6,000 ticks upper and lower energy band. We've also got this energy band here, which happens to be the 30,000 ticks lower energy band. We've also got its upper right here. Then we've got this thicker magenta lower energy band. This is a 150,000 tick lower energy band. So when price retraces back to the top of it here, we would be looking for a setup, for example. Just the same way that the market, when it gets down to, say here, we would be looking for a setup. Now that's a very simple concept, but it does allow the trader to relax into what they're doing, because now they can look at the bottom here of this particular energy band. They can also look at the top of this energy band, for shorts, for example. We can see what's currently taking place, that we are just above this energy band that I'm pointing to with the green down arrow. What is taking place is price is having an extreme amount of difficulty getting up through this crest on our trade chart on the right. And this is happening just above this lower energy band, the top of it, which is also drawn right here. So it's having quite a bit of difficulty pushing higher. So, the trader looking at the weak dot push into this crest can take a quick trade on back, because this lower energy band here is having difficulty pushing up. We've also got just above it here, let's see, at about looking at about 44.63, we'll say. This is also a point of resistance. So when we consider the cycle of what's going on here, we're looking at various chart frames. Yes, the dots are holding above this white solid midline, but as price gets above these energy bands, what we're noticing is there's a huge loss of push up, where if this is going to be strong energy down here, then this line that I'm pointing to on the left chart with the green down arrow, this was going to be a point where the energy would be able to push up through. And as we saw in our trade chart, this is not the case. If you're interested in learning more about Drum Energy Bands, send us an email at jb@drumenergybands.com. We're certainly interested in working with everyone. We provide detailed support for all clients through emails as best as possible that we can answer. The fast track program does allow a lot of information to be passed quickly. So that is the difference between having the fast track and just going at it through email. But nonetheless, we're here to support you, and thank you for